Hello, oh god. I don't have my lights on, wait. I am ready to stream. What are we doing, boys? I think it's a bit too low. Wait. Okay, at least like this kind of volume, okay? I'm ready, okay? Ah, shoot, we need to see the text, right? I guess I can do... I could not. Okay. Guess we have to do it like this, so... Hello everyone to this, welcome to the stream. And today we're gonna continue with the level editor for Sticky Paws. So, you know, I've been, how do you say it? I've been tinkering with the saving and loading stuff, okay? But I can't get it to work. I try to use this tutorial. I'm actually going to read this, okay? So it's gonna be a lot of reading just to you know, learn the system, what's actually happening and stuff. And yeah, I'll just show you the beginning here, I guess, because you know, they talk about a lot of other stuff too, so... But I've already done that. That's like the inifiers, I know those, I know about that. Music volume, I've done that. Saving strings, I did that. So like, I need to read from here or something like that, I'm thinking. I mean, yeah, let's just do it. So I'm, yeah, wait, let me get some background first on the how this works actually. So here's the like level editor object, and yeah, I had like a load and save here before, but it didn't work. A lot of errors and stuff. I don't think I quite got what happened and stuff. Okay, let's just play the game. Let's see what happens, okay. Come on. Okay, here it is without any like save and load features. So I can just make a level, and the idea is that like this is the same object I'm placing. It's just that it takes on a different sprite, and then when I press enter, that's when they actually turn into the real object. You see how the ground turns like into this, you know, it's not just black. Oh, yeah, and they hurt me and stuff. So like that part, that works now. So you could actually just save those objects. Okay, let's quit. Like, this is the object you're actually placing in the world. Let me see here. So I just want to save and load like those objects. So I guess I could maybe play this. Just to show. Oh, I think there's like background music in that game, so let me pause that. This is like an example demo tutorial stuff for Game Maker Studio, so you can learn about. This is like data handling and stuff, so you can put your name in, like that, and change keyboard control. So yeah, I've actually okay. I just realized I've done like yeah, this like volume controls thing, but I don't really have any name you can input. I don't think I need that. And this is like the remap stuff. That's done too. So here's the actual like I guess in this little demo tutorial you can actually place objects and stuff. And the idea is if you press S, it saves. I guess it's actually okay. Let me see if it ends up somewhere here. I don't really know exactly where. I guess it should be named something save and loading. I guess it's this one. So if you open this, no, it's not that one. Shoot. Yeah, because I needed to what do you say? Make a new project. You can actually see like. Yeah, I guess it's this. Okay, so I've actually done this before. And this is how it looks, usually. It's like, this is the code for, I guess this is the code for the player. And then it goes to a new line, and this is all the codes for... So each, like, 2 sections like this is like an object. And that's the 2 positions. And then the next objects and the next object and so on and so on. And they can get really long too because they must all be on the same line. That's kind of the idea, and then when you press here and press L, yeah, it didn't actually save anything, it seemed. It did not do that. Okay, wait. Is this because it's... Yeah, this is because it's the tutorial thing, right? Yeah. Because you're supposed to do it in here. Yeah, because if I go to like new project, there's like demos. And the demos are often like the tutorials but completed. So you can actually look at those. Or you could actually learn about the program and stuff. Whatever. That's what I'm... So yeah, I just want to learn about this. I guess I should read it now. So okay, text files when dealing with large amounts of data or data formats that do not easily fall into a key value pair, you need to say them using text files. Text files are slightly more complex to use than ini files, but they are far more flexible and permit rapid saving and loading of large data chunks. Now there are many ways to save and load data using text files, and it would be impossible to show you all possible ways, so for this particular tutorial we are going for one of the simplest and most inefficient. Wait, do they mean that word? I think they meant... Let me just look it up. Yeah, I think they said... I think they meant the most efficient. Well, methods as is a good base to start from and also permits you to learn by trying to improve it yourself at a later date. No, maybe they actually mean inefficient. I guess it's inefficient to read, but that's like the computer's job to do that. So before we start working with text files, there are a few things that you should know about them. First of all, you should know that you can open them for reading, writing, and appending. Reading means exactly what it says. You are opening the file only to read information from it. Yeah, that's like the loading part. I think you say it's going to read something out. But there is a big difference between appending and writing a file though. When you write to a file, you wipe the file of all information. Oh, okay. And then write to the empty file from the start. While when you append a file, you are adding information to that already contained in the file, and must therefore skip to the position within the file that you wish to start writing in at first, but before actually writing. Another thing that should be noted is that text files require that you control everything that is written to them, including line breaks. Okay. So if you have 3 lines of text to write to a file, use calling the write function 3 times will actually write them all at the same line in a consecutive order. Okay. So what you will have to do is write a line to a file, then write a new line using the appropriate function, then the next line, then the next line, etc. Finally, you should be aware that you can open multiple text files at once, and so you need to store the file ID of every single text file that you open, and then use that ID for all the functions calls so that GameX Studio knows which file it should be working with. Failing to do this will cause errors in your games. Yeah. With that introduction to text files out of the way, let's see if we can make a basic system for saving levels in a game that uses them. Okay. Man. Okay, let me drink something. Yeah, there's a lot to read here. Saving. Yeah, this is just like... Yeah, I guess you could just use it like to save anything. But really use it to save like the level when we're editing them. When saving a game state for reloading at a later time, the important thing is to realize is that not everything needs to be saved. What do we mean? Well, it looks... Let's look at the example game room that is in this tutorial. Yeah, that's the game. Oops. In the game room we have a player, some blocks and some balls. Now all these objects have the same built-in variables of speed, direction, image speed, sprite index, etc. But do we need to save all that information if we save the game? No, we do not. Yeah, that's right. But I actually need to save this because it's what determines what object it is. But you know, we can just change the code to whatever we like. So let's start with the play. What do we need to save for the play object? Well, really the only important thing to save here is the play position, because all the rest will be created automatically when you create the player. Yeah, that's really good. You just need to save like his position and stuff in the when you're making a level. And we don't want to save speed or direction of movement either, as when the user loads the game they won't want the player object to shoot off the screen. Yeah. Now what about the wall objects? Again, just like the player object, we only need to save their position as they do nothing. And the balls to need us to save slightly more information for them. And they can be moving, have a different color and size, and also position. So we will save the X, Y, image X scale, image blend, speed and direction of them to the file then. Yeah, I don't know if I need all that. I actually just need positions and what sprite they're using. That's like it. With the exact details of what to say, let's now move on to how to save. Yes, some code. Oof. Since the room text says that pressing S saves the game, open up the object labeled. Yeah, and this is like when you're going to like object level save control, and you're actually just going to, I guess, in here and stuff. No, right, yeah, you're supposed to like add a key press and stuff. But we're actually going to do that like in our cat game instead. So right here, I guess I want to have this code right here, you know. Let's see what they said actually. So they said, and add the key person for this key, then add a code block, and in that write the following. So this is like, yeah, this is the file. You can see like using like a short, what do you say? Here it's okay. String. Does that actually work? Because when I did this, it said it didn't, because I was thinking if it's within the player object, like that variable doesn't exist. It exists like in the, like in this object or whatever. Yeah, I can't. But you know, let's see what they say. As you can see, we first create some local variables to use, then open a file for writing. Create it if it does not already exist. Yeah. And store the file ID in one of the local variables. The other variable we prepare as an empty string. Then add the player X and Y coordinates to it, but separating them with the What is that symbol actually? It's like a elongated. I don't know. Vertical bar. It's like not an L, it's like a just a vertical bar, I don't know. But that's like what we separate like the positions and stuff. Where did I have the no, not there. Let me look at that again, okay. I had like in my where was it? Vast dungeon. I think I made a level. Yeah. Yeah, so it separates every time. So this is X, Y position. And I guess it just knows that the next two lines are for another object. X, Y, so it's like X position, Y position, X, Y, X, Y, X, oops, X, Y. And it just goes on like this, and then when it's like another object, it's a new line or something like that. What were we? Yeah. The, what was it called? Elongated something. Why do we do this? Well, when it comes to loading the room again from the text file, we need to have some way to know what values we are getting out. And so we will parse the string looking for these symbols. We could just write each value to a new line, and for small amounts of data this is easier, but for large amounts it is often better to keep things together in one chunk of data like this. Yeah. The string we have created will look something like this when saved. Yeah. X, Y. And I guess because I'm not going to save it like this game does it, with 3 different objects and stuff, and object for everything, because I'm going to use just one object because that's much easier. I think. Let me actually see if I have. Okay, let me position this like over there. Okay, and we can save it with the following lines of code. Okay, let's just write this down. Okay, I need to have this over here. I have to have 2 screens. Okay, let's do the save level. So it says variable file and string, I guess. File equals file text open write. So we're going to write something. Let's call it, yeah, let's just call it level, like they do. And I'm also thinking that, but I'll do that later, okay? But you could do something like I guess like this. I think it will look something like this later. So it will actually save like level and this might be 1 or 2 or 3 or something. So you could save like multiple levels. But we will do it like this for now because we don't have a system for that yet. We don't even have like any menus or anything yet. I'm just trying to get this to work like very simply. Let's see here. And then yeah. Now I'm actually confused because I don't remember this line like right under here. So maybe they lied to us, I don't know. Yeah, and this one I don't get this really, how this will work. Objects. And this I want to be actually this one, placed object. Because I'm thinking, yeah, because the string is like here, right? In this object. But when you do like this, I think it... I might be wrong, you know, of course. But I'm just thinking it's like they search, because that's the error I got all the time. It was searching for this code in this object, and you know, that's obviously wrong. But let's just follow this like so. How do you actually do the elongated? Do I have it? Yeah, that's a weird... Oh, right here. Okay, see. Alt. Key or... What does this mean, actually? Alt-gur key. Yeah, because you have like the alt key and then the alt key error. Alt graph, right? Alt. Yeah, and for some reason you can use... it's different on the... Yeah, I'm using like a Swedish keyboard, yeah. Does it have its own button on the US? Okay. Yeah, it looks more like this, I guess, and we actually have like the... We don't have the less than and more than like that. We have it like on the same key even, I see now. Weird. Yeah, whatever. Can I take... Wait, Swedish keyboard. Let me show you. You see this? There it is. So you press this and then this key. Whatever. Okay. Then plus again, and then est. No. Yeah, a real string now. Okay, string wipe plus and one more. No, it looks fine. Okay. I guess because yeah, I also want sprite index. I also want that. Oops. So I guess it should look like something like this. And then you have this little code. Okay, let's actually read this because I don't know what this line is, because if it's when it's the last line they don't have that. Let me actually look it up. You can maybe find out something more about that. File text right, like this one. Writes a new line to a given open text file. Yeah, okay. It's like when you're making a new line. Oh, it says LN. Okay, so I guess that's like short for line. I guess. Right line. Okay. But we don't need to do that right now, actually. So I guess, wait, again, like for the play object, we are only saving the position of each wall to the string. Actually, each block is writing its own position to the string, as the width here will loop through every single instance for us. Wait. Yeah, okay. And we don't, do I need to read this? I don't know. Let's just see if it actually saves, okay? Yeah, alright, I needed to have this line of code. And I guess like this file text close, of course. So let me write that down too. So I guess, yeah, okay. File text write string. This is file and this is str. And then you need like a file text close. Close the file. Like this. I mean, yeah. Is that all I need actually? Because yeah, I think I did something weird last time, because this looks much more compact actually. Or was it? No, this one was compact, I think, but the loading, I think it's more complicated maybe. Is that it? I'm feeling like I'm going to get an error that there isn't an object called that. I don't know how they do it. Yeah, they used to have like, I guess if you would have destroyed every wall and stuff, there might be an error that they overlooked. Let me do this because I know it's going to get an error from this otherwise. So if instance number is more than 0, and then you want this, like this. Is this it? Maybe it is. I mean, let's just see if it's saving, I think. Now it says, talks about loading. Let's just see if it actually saves and stuff. And before I actually play it now, I just need to double check if it's in the draw event, right? We should do this. And let's just see if there shouldn't be anything here right now. No level. Okay, let's do this. I hope this works. I have something to drink too, so. Hey mama. Hello mom. Hello. I can make a level now. Do you see this? Wait, I can't see myself. Whoops. Alright. Yeah, you can see I'm making a level, right? Wait, I should... Oh, shoot. Okay, whatever. And let me test this too, right? I just want to see if this works. Having all these extra objects. Let's make a small level. Hopeful. I'm hopeful this actually saves now. Yeah, it's saving right now. There's like no errors or anything. So I guess it actually works now. So I guess the saving is done. Let's have some fish. Something like this, I don't know. You can have a big mouse. Checkpoint. Yeah, everything looks weird because it's. I have to make like a case by case thing here, so it doesn't blink that much. All the this animation is supposed to be fast, but not these, right? And that too. That looks good. Let's add some rope. I like the rope. Like this. And let's have a bottom. I hope this works actually. That it saves, because I want to play this later too. Okay, let's just try it. Whoa. Wait. Yeah, I'm playing my own level now in the level editor. Can I just quit? Let's see. Okay. Moment of truth here. So in cat there's a level. Here it is. Okay. Ooh. Thank you. Okay, this should I explain this again? I don't know. Some code stuff here. So this is like every object we placed in the game right now, in the level editor, and I don't think, yeah, the only thing now is if I play it again, it doesn't load. I don't have a load function yet, but now the save actually works, so we'll fix that and we'll get back our level. Let me actually just see, okay. Yeah, now it's a new level. Oh shit. I mean, I think I overwrite. No, because I did that. Let me see. Yeah, I did. Whoops. Whatever, it was just a test level, okay? So if I would now... Okay, let's see the documentation again. Reading from a text file. Okay, so this is like when I'm loading the game. There's a lot to... yeah, I need to know what all this is about. Oops. Yeah, I think the problem is too, right? Instance create, this is the X and Y. How do I actually put in like so it checks for the sprite too, that's important too, right? That might be hard to do. I mean, I hope not. I'm thinking... It's so hot in here, I need to... Okay. It's hot in here, okay. Load, I guess I want this in the create event, right? In here. No, I want like a new... like this. Load level. So you get like the load and you get the save. See, it changes. Wait, do you actually see? Hello, Nate. I wasn't expecting you to show up today. Yeah, I'm doing like level editor. Can I show you? I don't think I've shown this before, okay? I need to show you this. Let me just have a... Wait, let me have some water actually. Oh, the game. Okay, let me... this is just like a test now, but basically you make your own levels. I think that's it right now. I'm going to have some more tools and stuff, but it's just placing and deleting objects. And the objects I have right now is like the ground, those spike mouse, spike, I can't talk, spike mice. I don't know what I'm saying, I'm sorry. Platform. Yeah, everything's not working completely, but let's add some rope. Like this. Or you know what? Let's just do like this, okay? I want to... Whoops. Make a floor like this. I want to try something out. I'm going to make the worst level ever, okay? Yeah, I'm scrolling right now. That's like how I've done it. Okay, this is like... Should we try it? Okay, let's put sticky over here. So right now I just have like... I don't have any like start position and stuff. So you just place your mouse over here. Press enter. And play the level. This is like... Okay. Whoa. I don't see what's... I can't see what's going on. It's just completely... Yeah, you get the point anyway. You can make anything. Was it? No, I don't... I don't remember what I did, but... Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is happening? No, yeah, I just hold on the X button. Oh my god, where am I? Oh, how did I... I want to get to the top over here. Okay, wait. Yeah, this is obviously not a good level, but... Oh yes. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this is crazy. Okay, I'm going to die. I'm going to die. How do I get in here? Yeah, let's just die right here. Anyway, yeah, you can make some levels now. That's fun. What is this? Whoops, sorry. Thank you. Anyway, we need to make like, okay, yeah, and if I go in here, let's see, oh my god, this is like the code for where all the objects are placed. So that's fun. We just need to have something to load this now. So I'm thinking in here. I just got totally distracted by that level. I have, okay, yeah, I have like this tutorial I'm using. So it says if instance exists, wait. Wait, is that like, I always use like instance number and then just check if it's above 0. Okay, so you can do this too, right? Let's see here, I need this object name, let's just copy it. It's too it's too long, but I'm just having it like describe what it is, so I can understand it. And then they have like, they have like a lot of variables. Yeah, I think I need to read about this. Maybe if it doesn't work the first time, I just have to read this. String temporary value and number. Yeah, so the file is just going to be file text open read, and it's the level txt. It's just a txt file too, so I guess also I'm thinking too, if I want people to be able to share the levels, and one one way to do is, I guess I did this like back in the, okay, I need to show you this, okay, this was like my childhood. What's it called? Mario Flash? I hope this is the one. Wait, try it again. Come on. There's like no full screen option. Wait. I got this, okay, wait. I need this. Is this the one? Okay, let's just play it here. Pause the music. Have anyone seen this game? It's really large. This is the largest. Has anyone played this game? This is like updated version. No, let's just go with this. I played this a lot. I didn't play the single player mode that often. I played like the level editor. It actually has like a level editor. Okay, oh. Have you played this? I played this like, you know, I just searched Mario, I think, play Mario, and yeah, I love this. my level name, it's how do I create? This is like before Mario Maker. That's a crazy thing too. Forest, castle, snow, go. They have all these now in Mario Maker 2. I love Mario Maker 2, guys. Okay. Let's make a. Let's just make a land. Bonus area. Yeah, you changed that too. This is like exactly like okay. Level size. Yeah, let's just build. Show menu. Hide menu. Start position. Yes, this is how you change. Yeah, it's a bit primitive because you had to build the whole castle yourself. Let's actually do that. Okay. I think I remember how to do it. You do it like this. So you can, so the castle can actually look like however you want to. Like that's a crazy thing for me. Because that you can actually do this. Yeah, this is just a playthrough for what's it called? Super Mario Flash. Then you added, I think, this, and you just had, I think you, yeah, they actually made it so you can use it like that. Is that accurate? Okay. What's it called? Super Mario All-Star Castle. What's a small castle look like? Like that, right? Wait. Did they... Oops. Oh, they used... Okay. And you... Okay, so you because you can't... right click, you just click it again. Man, this is... monsters. Okay, let me just show you how this works. If you save code, yeah, this is like the code for the level. Like that's almost okay, not exactly, but that's almost like this. And yeah, copy to clipboard. So you could just like send it to people. Here's the code. Let's not freak this up, okay? Don't save. So you just copied the code and you sent it to a friend, and if you wanted to get codes. These are like, this is like where they share the levels, I think. Let me see. Level editor, we load, and you just pasted your code. Load, and you can play it. Yeah, I didn't. Like, that's amazing. that was like amazing for me to make my own levels and share them and stuff. That's like, I think this actually got me into making games and stuff. I mean, it had to. Very cute game. So yeah, I like that. So I guess from now, because I don't think I can make servers and stuff to upload your level right now. I'd see in the future, you know, but yeah, you copy the code. So I guess I could do something like, yeah, just like that, like copy to clipboard and paste stuff in the game. Yeah, that's amazing. It's very nostalgic to me. It's just so primitive, and I guess I have to make it primitive now because I don't know how to do online stuff. I mean, I can try. Maybe it's easier with. I guess it's like saving high scores and stuff to a scoreboard or something, leaderboard. I mean, because I've seen there's tutorials for that. That maybe that's easier, but it's not like multiplayer with different people. You know, it's just sharing code online. That would be amazing if I could get this to work and you can actually save and load different levels. I think because I've been thinking, I just have the resources. The resources I have right now are very limited. I just have like one background designer, artist, and I don't want to make any more levels right now because he's still working on like a lot of levels right now. So I just want to add some sort of level editor for people to enjoy. That's what I'm thinking at least. So I hope this like pays off actually. Okay, let's see here. Let's continue this. If file does not equal to -1, what does that mean? Can I read about that? Okay, let's see here. Is there like a do they mention this anywhere? No. Just reading it like this, I don't know. Or maybe this is like the. Oh, maybe this is like the code for if the. Oh yeah, I get it now. If the file doesn't exist, but I'm just thinking, isn't there already like a. What's it called? File exists, so you could actually make it like this. I think if file exists, level txt. I mean, I'll do it like this because I think like a save. What do you say? Fail save? No, I lost the word. Whatever. Let's see here. Okay, I need to have str equals file text read string. File. What is this? File text File text. Read line. From file, yeah. str position equals 1. Okay. Number equals 0. String temporary equals nothing. And then they talk about something here. I think I need to read that, you know. Yeah, they stop here and then they talk about it. I think I need to read this. Can I just have to say I think I need to go in the toilet. If that's okay. Okay, wait, let me have the background music on again. Like that, okay. I'm on the toilet, okay? Watch this trailer. I'll be back. I just saw your comment. Okay, that's. Should it not say that? It should just say be right back. Whatever. I didn't realize that the sound was actually playing from the like trailer video. Was it playing? And because I went downstairs and I just hear the music from the trailer and I was like well, is my dad like looking at my trailer or something? And I just saw him like sitting watching the stream. Yeah, okay. I just saw him, he was watching the stream. I didn't know he was it was him who watched actually. So that's funny. I was just going to tweet at someone. They said, "Why does Mario say, 'Oh yeah, Mario time'? Wait, oh yeah, Mario time!' After finishing a level. The end of the level is literally when Mario time is over. Mario is fucking stupid." He said that. I want to reply to that. No, I mean on the phone. Okay, wait. No. No, it's Mario time because he will wait. He will enter the castle and kick Bowser's ass. I'll say it like that. Okay, whatever. Let's get right back into it, okay? What is this? Okay. Let's just skim through this. No, I can't really do it. I don't know how to skim read or whatever you say. Speed read. The string we know has stored in the wait. We have our base string and we have prepared the local variables necessary to parse it. String position. Let's just call it string to. I can't talk. Okay, wait. I need to drink like. String position is the position. I can't talk. String position is for the position within the main string. Number is the current array position to store the completed substring in. String temporary is the variable that will hold each substring while we parse the main string. I don't know if I understand this. Actually, I think it's too much. It's too much for my brain to handle. Yeah, I just need to know. Okay, this is like the X position, I think. This is the Y position. Can you actually see the mouse? You don't really see the mouse, I think. It looks black, I don't know. But how do I check for what? How do I check what sprite it's going to look for? What we have to add now is the code that we make our base string and split it into the two component parts. Let's actually look at this ball thing. Oh, wait. Okay, this is interesting. I think I've figured it out, actually. Oh. Is this it? Yeah, this is like the same thing, right? Not really. If number equals 6. Yeah, let's just, okay, with, and it said, it does not say that. Wait, let's just do it like this, okay? Let's do it like just the positions. I think I can figure this out, okay? We're almost there, okay? I need this to work. String and temporary is nothing. And instance create value 0, value 1, and the actual object, it's this object. Okay. Shoot. Son. Sorry. Okay, let's scroll down here. So if I do the width, wait. Did I put that line in? I don't have any wide. Wait. What did I do wrong? I did something wrong here. I don't have any while. Okay. Oh, right. I think I've... Yeah, they say the same thing almost, so I must have confused them. Let's put this down here, okay. Then I need this code right after, okay. Let's do this. While string position is less than string length, did I say something wrong? Length like this. The string. I mean, I'm trying to understand this myself. Okay, it's kind of confusing. I get it, kind of, like the string position. No, I don't think I get it. Whatever. I hope it works. If it doesn't work right away, I just have to read. String character at what? And then the string. No. position does not equal to the elongated line, whatever. It's not an L, it's not an I, it's an elongate. What was it called again? I need to look it up again. It really a vertical bar. I want to call it the elongated bar. That sounds more fun. Okay, the elongated bar. Then the string temporary plus equals the string character at string and string position. What is this? String position. I mean, I guess you should actually know what you're coding and stuff, but I don't go by the rules, okay? Value, okay, here it is. Value number. Oh, this is where the values come in. Okay. I think I got it. This is like the most intense code I've ever written. The string temporary. So if the value is the real is like, I think that means like if it's a number or something. Yeah, because it's okay, it's supposed to be like a number here. Because this is not a number, okay. I think I got it actually. Oh my god. I mean, I don't consider myself that smart sometimes, but this is like high IQ level of coding right now. I mean, I'm joking, okay. Number plus equals 1. Okay. And the string temporary is going to reset itself to nothing. And then they create this. Yes. I think. I think. Yeah, I think we need to look at this again. Okay. That was this code, right? Yeah, we don't need to do this, right? I just need like one object. If number equals to what is that? Oof. So I guess this needs to be like with instance create all this. Sprite index equals value 2. I mean, that's it. I don't need any more values, right? number, okay, what is it? Number, okay. Plus equals 1. I'm thinking I need to have this line of code in, maybe, if number equals, because it says like 6 here. Okay, let's actually think, okay, because these values include 0, and I guess this is like 1 to 6 just, yeah, right. So this is actually 6 or something. It's really confusing with okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's wait 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. All right, yeah, they use the same. Okay, I get it now. Maybe I don't get this at all anymore because of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it still makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. There's 6 values actually. But I just need 3. If number equals 3, then does it reset it? Number equals 0, it says. Yeah, I guess it's like a new line or something. Let's see here. This is it, right? Okay, let me put it like they did, because this is like, okay, right, open, I think that is supposed to be it's supposed to be right here, right? File, text, close, file. Did I do it? That's it, that's the end of the tutorial, at least. I mean, this is still confusing for me, but whatever. It loads. Okay, it loads like 3 values now. Value 0, value 1, value 2. Load. Because in the save, I have this one too, right? X, Y, sprite. I had a level, right? It's supposed to load this now. I mean, I'm holding my, what do you say? Holding my fingers. I hope it works. Please. Please work. Oh God. Please work, please work. I don't know what to do if it's not working. I mean, I figured it out. I figured it out. Keep positive. Positive attitude. Okay, it's right here. But it didn't load. Okay. I mean, there's no error screen or nothing, but yeah, now it's a new level. Okay. What happened? Instance exists. Wait. Let me just check this. Returns when an instance of the game will exist in the current room. If it does not exist, yeah, right. Does it say stray? Is it just a type of thing? Okay, maybe it actually works then. If I just do it right, it's not supposed to say stray. Post temp value number. I didn't say. Okay, that should work now. Okay. Didn't give any error or anything, so I mean, I'm glad I found that out. Making typos. I mean, I'm nervous again now. Because it seems like I'm fixing it right now. I fixed the problem. It should work. I don't know actually. Let's just let it play out. No. And I'm sure it saves, right? Because it's right here. And it gets overwritten. Okay, yeah, overwritten. I'm thinking it's something with this then. Can I do it like this? Okay. Let's just do it simple. Did they have yeah, they just had like an instance create. Like this. Just two values. Let's just see this, well, the save thing, because yeah, now it's saving like this many objects, so I guess we need to erase that. Just the X and Y. I mean, if that works, I think I can figure this out. Just the positions and stuff. Wait, let's delete this. Start from fresh. Now it's fresh. Let's just add this. Let's just add like ground. And like a cat statue. A statue of a cat like this. This is the cat. It saved something, right? Here it is again. Some new code. Load. No, it didn't load. Ay, ay, ay. I mean, it's better than before, because before it was just error messages all the time. I guess. I mean, I have something to work from, okay? I need the nose. Like that. Maybe some... What is this? Something on the eyes. Blue cheeks. He's very... He's very cute. Yeah, whatever. I'm thinking maybe I feel tired now, so I maybe okay, let's just say like this. I know this works, right? Just take back the so I don't forget that. I know this saving works now. It actually saves. It's just the loading. Wait. And the loading looks like a lot more complex. Would be nice if I had my old Pro. I think I actually have them, so maybe I should just look at them. I think I need to have some sleep, you know, and I will see you tomorrow, I think, because it's just what day is it? Sunday. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to stream tomorrow too. So let's just save it like this, okay? And we'll get this like loading fixed up next time, okay? So I just want to say, yeah, this is my ending screen. Thank you everyone who's been watching. We actually made some progress, at least with the saving. So I'll see you tomorrow, okay? You know, you can come whenever you want to, you know, watch the stream. So thank you everyone. Have a good one.